Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm challenging myself to make a track in 50 minutes with our new CamelPhat Producer Pack. We teamed up with Grammy nominated artist CamelPhat to release this pack, and the last few weeks the response has been really amazing, so we are really thankful for that. In this video I will just use sounds and presets from the pack, so I can really showcase you guys what you can make with this pack in a relatively short time. If you want to check out the pack, head over to the link in the description. And for now, let's dive into the challenge. So I have an alarm here for 50 minutes, and once I hit play, I will start with creating the track and see how far I can come under some time pressure. So I'm curious what I can come up with. So let's hit start, and first of all select a kick right here. A deep and punchy one like this will definitely work. And then I have this bass to start off with. And let's then try to come up with a bass progression. Let's make the notes a bit longer. I think this will work. Let's now try to lay down some chords really quick, as we can really use that also throughout the whole track. This one is really dreamy and atmospheric. So. Play around with a note that's constantly playing. This sounds really cool. foundation now. So you basically already lay a foundation also for like a top lead or a top melody. So let's search for a lead. Atmospheric and big, which works well if we want to play long notes. Better than I expected. So let's set it to different patterns and don't spend too much time on perfecting it because we only have 50 minutes. So let me quickly add these to a mixer track for some really basic mixing, just to make it instantly sound better. Make this a bit wider, so you saw chainsaw. Maybe if this is like the main drop, we only bring in that pad like later on. Because this already is really huge if you work a little bit more on ambient sounds and that kind of stuff. So let's drag in some head loops. Quickly arrange like a buildup. And then slowly bring it in. Bring in the bass. little bit of decapitator on that bass. So we have 6 minutes. Let's add like a rhythmic top plug, and let's search for that in this pack real quick. Slide sidechain and get some kind of radio filter here. Where is it? Melodic to pan it from left to the right. So we have 4 minutes. Let's see, I hope this sounds good. Screwed. Okay, so let's search for a synth drone. This one is sick. So let's set it to stretch and make sure it's in the correct pitch. So we need a riser. I'm now almost already running out of time, so I need to be quick with this. And add some reverb to it. And then we need a little uplifter. Perhaps we can use one of the signature top loops. This one, the infamous one. Let me quickly add some endless smile since we have now 1 minute left. So I just put it on the master to get that big build-up effect. Okay, lastly, let me try to add one more kind of FX, which could fit here, which is called, okay, now I need to be quick. Okay, so I ran out of time. It's a pity, as you can see right here. I did want to add this, so technically I've put it in. So just write like this, and I have to say that was not much time to do it under pressure. But I think the idea is pretty solid. So let's just play it and see what I came up with. Okay, so I'm actually not disappointed because I really like the progression and the different elements. However, of course, in 15 minutes it really sounds quite messy. But I really enjoyed to do this under the time pressure, because then you just have to move on and not think too much about it. And as you can see, it can work pretty well. So next week I'm also dropping a 1 hour video where I make a track in 1 hour so I can get more into the details. But I really felt like this was a nice challenge to showcase you what you can do with the pack. As I already mentioned, if you want to check out the official CamelPhat Producer Pack, head over to the link in the description where you will find all the necessary information about the pack. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.